In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily filter photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then tap right here to head over to your Photos library. Then guys, if you would like to filter your photos, you need to tap at these three dots and then select Filter. That's where we can choose different parameters like favorites. To show just favorites photos here, we can select favorites. In this way, we can easily find all the photos we have favorited. Then also we can filter it by edited. Or, as you may notice, we can select multiple options at once. So if you would like to find all the edited photos, select that option and tap at Done. And the same about photos and videos. If you would like to reset all filters, select all items and then tap at Done. Moreover, there are several ways how we can filter our photos and videos, and to do that, we need to head over to Albums. Once it is done, just scroll down until you find Media Types, and that's where we can find that auto-generated albums. And that's how we can easily find all selfies in our camera roll, all the live photos, all portraits, slow-mo videos, cinematic videos, screenshots, and screen recordings. Let's say I got 95 screenshots here, and that's how I can easily find them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.